Hey, what's up guys? I'm here for lesson number 3. I'm actually going to speed things up since I did mess up lesson number 2. I'm making up for it right now. Right now. Alright, so look, I got a little PowerPoint, and this is basically the easiest way for me to explain things, and you guys can jot down notes, and some of you guys can even email me. I'll send you the PowerPoints to your email so you can keep them as notes as well. Alright, so lesson number 3, my name is Dre Hernandez. For those who don't know, now you do. Alright, so I made it very simple. On the bottom, okay, which is right here, I'm going to put the terms and the words, and the definitions will go up here. Okay? Alright, let's get started. Alright, so just like I did in lesson number 2, a ticker. What is a ticker? And it's the symbol or the abbreviation for basically the company. So in the example in lesson 2 was Apple, and I believe the ticker was AAPL. So every single company has a symbol that abbreviates the company's name, and that is also known as a ticker. So whenever you hear someone say, hey, what's the ticker to that company, you will know what they're talking about. Okay, a ticker. Number 2, resistance. Okay, so what is resistance? Once again, it is the highest point of a candlestick on a chart. So I explained it in lesson 2. If you guys have not yet watched lesson 2, I encourage you to go back to lesson 1 and start from the beginning. But basically level 2, the resistance is the highest point. So if a chart, let's say you look at a 1-year chart and the highest it's ever hit is $2, that is the resistance. Okay. And let's go on to the next one. The next one is support. Now, it's the complete opposite of resistance. It is the lowest point, okay? The lowest point that the candlestick has hit on that chart. So, once again, lesson 2 explains it. If you haven't watched lesson 2, go watch it now. All right. Position, okay? So, this is the amount of shares that you have. Okay, and there's 2 type of positions. You're either going long or you're going short. So it depends on what the chart is doing and how you feel about the specific ticker. That is going to determine whether or not your position is going to be long or it's going to be short, or the amount of shares that you're going to be buying. So let me give you an example. If you watch lesson 2, you'll see that I bought in, I believe, 350 shares of SPEX, right? I bought in at my position. This is my position as an example. I am going long 350 shares at 194, I believe. It was 194. So going long 350 shares at 194. That automatically tells another trader exactly what you're doing, your exact position, and they know exactly what you plan to do. Okay, so that's just language, lingo that you have to learn. These are terms you have to learn in order for you to advance and learn more how to trade the stock. Okay, the market cap. Okay, so this is important, okay? It is the total market value of all the company's outstanding shares. So how many shares does this company have at this point? All right? Market cap, capitalization, whatever. It's short, market cap. Remember that, market cap. And I'm going to try to keep these videos short, so write this down, jot it down. I'm trying to go as fast as possible, so I don't like wasting too much time on a lesson. I feel like if I tell you straight the point, cut the bullshit out, you're gonna learn faster and take me more serious. Okay. The market volume. Okay, so these are the numbers of shares that are changed hands during the given day. So whether they've been sold, whether they've been bought, whatever the hell has happened and it's been exchanged during that day, that is the volume of the day. Okay, so if you remember my charts and you remember from lesson 1 or lesson 2 when I point out the volume, I always show that some of them are green and some of them are red. So obviously the red is for sellers, the green is for buyers. So that's the market volume. Next, long position. Okay, so just to explain this quickly, a long position is when someone makes a trade and they expect the price to rise over time. So for instance, once again, my trade is SPX, I think 350 shares going long. That means I bought it at a low price and I'm expecting it to rise, okay, over time. That is a long position, a long trade, okay? I am a long trader for doing that. Well, I'm not a long trader, but I did something a long trader would do, go long, which means buy low and sell high, okay? Which most of the times that is like what everyone does as far as like when it comes to trading. That is the ideal thing to do, is to buy it at a low price and sell it at a higher price, right? All right. This is an example of a long trade, guys, okay? So you see this, it beat, okay, let's just say this was resistance here, right? It broke resistance and you bought in somewhere around here expecting it to break resistance, which is right here, and it does. And you hold it because you are trading long, you are going long, so you're making money as this goes up, okay? So that is what long trading is. You buy at a less price than what you sell for, okay? So buy low, sell high. Remember that. Long trading means to buy low, sell high. Write that down. Give you guys a minute to write that down. If you guys have any questions that are popping to your head right now, jot them down in the comments and I will answer them as well, okay? Now, this is an example of short trading, okay, which is the complete opposite of long trading, okay? So you want to buy high so you can sell low, if that makes any sense. Or let me rephrase that. You want to sell high so you can buy low, okay? So here an example, as you can see, this is support. You see that? Support, bounced off support, bounced against support, and then it broke support. You see that? So some people will short trade it, okay? So they would short it right about here because they expect it to go down. So it's the complete opposite. If you expect it to go up, you're going long. If you expect it to go down, you're going short. So short trading, complete opposite, okay? Now, I know that confuses a lot of people, and if you need me to make a video specifically for this, go ahead and comment, let me know, and I will go ahead and make a video explaining exactly how short trading and long trading work, and go more into depth and about explaining it so you guys get a better idea. Alrighty, guys. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to, once again, comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright, guys. Have a great day. God bless.